Welcome to a new level of the quiz showdown. You've faced tough challenges, but now, let's meet your next guide. Mishal the Robot. A friendly quiz master, here to help you build your skills with a fun and engaging quiz. Hello, future quiz star. I'm Mishal, and I'm here to help you grow and have fun along the way. With 11 levels of easy questions, this challenge is all about learning and enjoying the process. Ready to get started? Here's how it works. You'll have 20 seconds to answer each question, so take your time and enjoy the challenge. This game is all about building confidence and moving forward. Get a question wrong? No worries. Try again and learn as you go. We're in this together. Think you can complete all my levels? I believe in you. Show me what you've got, and let's go through this challenge side by side. And here's the best part, if you beat me, your next challenge will be with Noman the Robot. He'll take things up a notch with 21 levels of medium difficulty questions, and you'll only have 15 seconds per question. Think you're ready for that? But it doesn't end there. Conquer Noman's challenge, and you'll face Roshan the Robot, the ultimate quiz master with 11 levels of hard questions and a lightning-fast 8 seconds to answer each one. Only true quiz champions can make it through all 3 challenges. Defeat all the robots, and a special surprise awaits you from our organization. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to prove yourself. Download the app, join Mishal's challenge, and start your journey toward becoming a quiz master. I'm here, cheering you on every step of the way. Let's make this a great experience together. Are you in? Let's get started.